Chizo is sick, so she went to stay with him in the hospital.
Which hospital?
Calm down, Mommy. She will come back, okay? I guess she's worried about Uzo's health. She will definitely call you the moment her nerves are calm.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
It's okay. I will continue to call her, okay? Mommy, I will take my leave now.
It's okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
Bye.
Welcome, my prince. Have you fixed his room? It's done. You are right.
Yes, I am. I'm all right.
Annie, you abandoned me at the hospital. How could you?
I'm so sorry, my darling. Mom said your mom came and took you home.
I heard how you saved my life. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's nothing, my love. I did it for love.
It's okay. You go up and freshen up. I'm coming.
Okay.
She's a nice person. Do you love her?
Love grows.
Love grows? What do you mean by that?
Love grows means love grows. Is it difficult for you to understand?
Make me to understand.
My queen, I am still in shock on how you abandoned me in the hospital.
Abandoned you? How do you mean? I was thinking your mother would come and take care of you while I take care of my son. I didn't know that she did not come.
Okay. It's fine. I just wanted to let you know how bad I felt about it.
Oh, you shouldn't. Excuse me.
Oh, Gina. I want to thank you for what you did for me, for saving my life. Something my beloved brother could not do for me. You did it. Thank you so much.
I love you very much. And if there's anything I can do to make you happy, I will do it wholeheartedly.
Gina, you're such a nice person. My brother already told me about how you sold some of your father's property to raise cash to save him when he had issues with the custom.
Oh, please, please, please. Let us let us take this whole thing easy. The walls have ears.
Mom, I've decided to get married to Gina in court on Saturday.
But her father does not like royalty.
That's why I've decided to do that in court. So when he changes his mind, then we can do the marriage right.
Nice one. I hope you know what you're doing.
Mom.
Anyway, Mom. Babe, come, let's go upstairs. See you guys.
See you later.
I don't like that girl.
I know. But why though?
She has this pride in her. Just because she gave your brother a few millions to solve his problem.
Oh my God. Mom, you are so unbelievable. I remember how you and Frank abandoned brother when he needed that money until this girl came through for him.
Well, she came through because she has an ulterior motive. Yes, she has always wanted to marry the prince of this kingdom. And point of correction, I did not abandon my son. Just that I did not have money then.
Mom, I do not know what you're talking about, okay? All I know is that I am solidly behind them. And I expect you to support them on Saturday.
Excuse me.
Mom, where are we going to?
I'm taking you to where you belong. I told you that you're a prince. So I'm taking you to the palace.
Am I going to see my daddy?
Of course, my boy. You're going to see your daddy. Will you be happy to see your daddy?
Yes.
Good boy. And smile. That's my boy. Mom, you're not dressed yet.
Annabelle, I told you I'm not going anywhere.
Mom, this is not fair. Can you stop hating on this innocent girl? If not for anything, you should appreciate the fact that she donated her own kidney to save the life of your son.
Who asked her to do that? Was she forced? She did it out of her own volition. She did it because of her ulterior motive.
Annabelle, please. Get inside and get dressed. Let's go.
Annabelle, I told you I am not going.
But Mom, you know we cannot go without you.
Then stay. You're disturbing me.
Daddy so cute. This one and this one, she's better.
Oh my god.
Annabelle,
You look stunning.
are you sure?
Oh my god.
Thank you, sis.
Look at you.
Thank you, sis.
Oh my god.
You
Look at
like
your
it?
hair.
Thank
I love
you.
it.
I am so excited.
I know. It's your day.
Yes, and I am super excited. Is mom ready?
Yes, she's seated outside.
Okay. Maybe I should go talk to her. Oh. Mommy, I'm all set. How do I look, Mommy? Mommy, are you not coming with us?
I will later.
Okay, but we're almost late. We're late already.
What is this now? What is this? You want to carry me on your back?
No.
Go, I will meet you in court. What is this?
Okay, I'm sorry, Ma. It's okay. We'll see.
Oh, please.
Okay.
I hate dumb people. She's so dumb. She cannot even read an ordinary handwriting on the wall.
Mama, we know Daddy's house.
Yes, my darling. We're in your daddy's house. Do you like it?
Yes. Yes, let's go inside.
We will go inside. I'm just waiting for the right time, okay? Listen, I don't want you talking too much. Do you understand? I will call you Junior, and that is the name you will bear in this house.
Yeah.
Yes, Junior. You be a good boy, okay? Good.
Wow, look at you. Thank you. Is mom ready?
Yes, she'll be joining us at the court.
That's fine. She'll be joining us at the court.
Yeah, it's bro. Oh my god. Great.
Thank you there. Where's mom?
She says she'll be joining at the court.
Why?
Looks like someone is getting married today.
Who's on my love?
How are you?
Berry. Where have you been?
I should be the one asking you that question. I told you I would come on a day you least expected. A day like this. Anyway, I forgive you for ignoring me when I was pregnant with our child.
What is going on here?
Our child?
Yes, your child. Junior, this is your father. I greet you, my queen.
You have not answered my question. Tell me what I want to hear. What's going on?
Well, my queen, I brought home a royal blood. It would be very wrong of me to keep a royal blood, so I brought him home. He's my son. And your prince here, Uzo, is his father.
My goodness. He looks like my husband. Why don't we go inside?
Thank you, my queen.
Come, son.
I'll be inside.
Gina, please. Brother,
Why are you not saying anything? What is going on here? What just happened?
what about the wedding? Are we still going to the court? Uzo.
What do I do? The past has come hunting. If I continue with this wedding, she's going to kill me. I know what she can do.
Brother, how do you explain the drama that played out there?
Annabelle, please. Annabelle, please, I do not want any kind of blames right now. I can handle it, okay?
Oh yeah, you can handle it. You can handle it and you're not making any move to go for your own wedding.
Annabelle, please, I don't want to get worse than this. Allow me think, please.
Okay, fine. I will let you think. Gina, please stop.
Annabelle, leave me alone.
No, listen to me. Pull yourself together, okay? It's not over yet.
No problem.
Gina, listen. You know we can still go for the court wedding, right?
I've heard you. Annabelle, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I know. Can you just calm down, please? Please.
Leave me alone.
Gina, please, can you calm down? It's not over. Please. Ah! Yeah. Gina, can you stop doing this to yourself? You're hurting yourself.
Annabelle, my father told me. He warned me. I just did not listen to my father. I should have listened to him. Yes. Oh, my head. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. I'm losing Please.
Gina, calm
I'm
down.
losing my head.
Listen, you're not losing anything. Just calm down. Stop hurting yourself, okay? Everything will be fine.
Okay.
Okay? I'm here for you. Come, let me take you
This
inside.
one is a wicked place. It's a terrible place to stay. What a world. Eh? Uzo, kill me instead.
No. Gina, right now, let me take you inside, okay?
I thought he's mine.
Gina. Please go.
I thought he's mine.
Go, go. I want to hold you. No, no, no.
After all this fight, after all my sacrifice, after all my stubbornness to
Honey, you called me.
Ask your daughter why the filling station is shut down and being repainted with a different logo.
I don't understand.
The filling station was shut down. I thought it was as a result of fuel scarcity. When I moved in to inquire, I was pushed out of the premises like a common criminal.
Maybe she's trying to repaint.
With a different logo? Look, let it not be what I'm thinking.
Do you think she sold it?
She dare not. If she tries it, I'll kill her and kill myself. Hope me.
No way, no way. She will do no such thing. The fact that you left it under her care does not give her the guts to sell it.
I don't care. I have told you my mind. If she tries it, I'll kill her and kill myself. Hope me.
So no, that is why I have invited you to come and see for yourself. Uzo here has not said anything, but I know that his silence means consent. I mean, look at him, look at that boy. He looks like my husband. Look at his nose. Look at his eyes. Oh no, my late husband, the Bialomowa.
My prince, what do you have to say? Do you know this woman?
Yes, I know her. We dated when I was in South Africa.
So, is this boy your son?
No way, Mama. Why are you asking again? Is it not glaring? See, without any form of formal introduction, if I see this boy on my way, I will know that he is my blood. Lady and kid now.
My daughter, where are you from?
I'm from Achina. Listen, I am tired of answering all these questions. Uzo here knows the truth. I brought his son back so that I can go back and live my baby girl's life. That's all.
Oh. Welcome, my dear. You can rest for now. Then you go tomorrow. That is if you still want to go.
Prince Uzo, you are not saying anything. Is this boy your son?
No. I think at this particular point, we have to start asking crucial questions.
By asking crucial question, you mean? No, you think I'm lying? She thinks I'm lying. Listen, I have money. And Uzo knows it. I have everything I want in this life. So I'm not here for his money. As a matter of fact, I have enough money to feed a whole community. Yes, you heard me.
That's a real woman talking here. When you see a real woman, you know. Did you hear what she said? Ne, let me take you to your room. You said enough for one day.
No, I'll rather receive some fresh air here.
Well, in that case, let me take you around.
Okay.
Sit. Come, my boy. My boy, what is your name?
My name is Junior.
Junior. Oh.
His name is Uzochukwu Ofodile Jr.
Prince Uzochukwu Ofodile Jr. You are welcome. This is your home. And someday, this will be your kingdom. Welcome. Welcome.
My queen, you're a nice woman. Your hospitality still marvels me.
Well, I like bold people. I admire honest people. The fact that you brought him here, despite the fact that you are capable of raising him, is amazing too. Thank you.
It's nothing, my queen. I knew that his father would want his son someday.
Wouldn't you rather stay here and raise your son?
How?
Marry my son.
Well, my queen, your son has not said anything about marriage to me.
I can make him say so. You still love my son. I can see it in your eyes.
So this is how our wedding got ruined today. Okay, I am not angry that you have a baby with her. We can still get married, right?
Just shut up and allow me think. You talk too much.
I talk too much? You didn't look at me in the face and say that to me? You are going to break my heart because of that woman and her son.
Stop calling her that woman. She's the mother of my son.
Uzo, you still love her, don't you? Uzo, you still...
Don't ask me that stupid question. Do not ask me that stupid question.
Uzo, after all I've been through for you, after everything I did for you, this is how you intend to repay me, Uzo? For real?
Hey! Can't you use your eyes? Are you blind? Are you alright?
How can I be alright? How? How do you expect me to be alright? Since I came back to this country, it's been from one problem to the other. Do I look alright? I am not alright.
Calm down.
Damn.
Calm down, please. Just calm down. By the way, where are you going to?
I don't know where I'm going to.
No, hello, excuse me. See, we could just take a walk together. Maybe we could just talk over a bottle or two. What do you think? Can we go? All right, come with me.
I've been through hell since I came back to this country. I've spent over 6 million naira for my father's burial. From my father's burial to the Ofala. From the Ofala to the New Yam Festival. Now my goods have been seized by the custom. And if I don't get those goods, I'm finished.
Listen, you won't be finished, okay? My father's friend is a custom officer. I will talk to him about you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Then, yes, one more thing. I heard you talk about New Yam festivals and Ofala. Are you a prince?
I'm the next king of my kingdom.
Oh, yeah? So we now have a prince who doesn't walk around in royal regalias, right?
You know, as for me, I like to be very simple, but I wear them occasionally.
Good. It's good to stay simple.
Yeah.
So what do you think? We go somewhere, have a drink?
I don't have appetite for anything.
That's okay.
Yeah. So how are you?
I'm okay.
Okay, let's go.
Now you've forgotten everything. You want to break my heart. Today I am my father's greatest enemy because of everything I did for you.
You're stepping on my nerves. Yes, you are. What have you done for me that no one has ever done? What?
No, I still insist we make more inquiries about that lady. I don't know, but I strongly believe there's something fishy about her.
Well, you see, I cannot force words out of your brother's mouth. There is a saying amongst our people that whoever keeps silent has accepted the terms before him. There is nothing I can do here.
No. That boy does not look like Dad in any way.
Well, let's see. I have to be on my way.
Uzo, where did I go wrong? What did I not do right? How did I just go wrong? Where did all this go wrong? How? I thought I was doing my best. It wasn't enough.
Gina,
get up and go inside.
Annabelle, today is supposed to be my wedding day. I mean, our wedding day. Uzo and I. Right.
Gina, go take off your wedding gown. Okay?
So, we're not going for the wedding anymore. There's not going to be any wedding. Is that it?
Gina, listen to me. I promised to speak to my brother about this. I know he will listen to me. He will not forget so soon. Trust me.
My head is on fire. I can't explain how I feel.
Gina, calm down.
Okay?
Okay?
But maybe you should get me something cold to drink. I feel some type of way I can't explain. Please. Can you?
Okay. Let me get you water.
Okay.
When the king heard that the child was a boy, he said he would kill a cow for me each time I give him a male child. But that for that time, I would just manage a roasted chicken. Oh my goodness. My makeup. So when it was time for me to give him another child, he went and bought a fowl.
Gina! 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 Mom! Please, did you see Gina? Mom, did you see Gina?
Did I see who?
Gina!
Annabelle, I am not her keeper. Besides, I don't look out for gold diggers when I'm with important people like this. You understand? Thank you. So, as I was saying,
I thought he's mine. I thought he's mine. Love him forever. After all this fight, after all my sacrifice, after all my stubbornness to my papa,
Gina! Gina, wait! Gina, wait! Wait! Where are you going to? No, where do you know that you are going to?
I have sacrificed a lot just for
Gina, just stop this madness, okay? Let's go home. Gina, let's go home. Come with me. Let's go.
just because of our love, God would Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. My heart is burning, my head is on fire. Oh, obi mu de kwaku, isi mu ne rako. It's only us can cool it. It's only us.
Gina, listen to me. To be quite honest with you, I do not like what you're doing to yourself. I already promised to do something about it.
Really? You will?
Yes.
You sure?
I need you to be calm. I need you to pull yourself together. You be calm, right?
Thank you.
Wipe your tears. You want something?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm fine. Very fine.
Can we go inside now?
Yes, we can. Yes, let's go. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Yes.
That's not. No, sorry. Okay.
Yeah. He's not going to hurt you. Just go inside.
Okay.
Okay.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm here. Let's go.
No.
Don't worry.
Okay, let me go.
Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart.
Listen, you will not use that useless tool called silence on me. I deserve an apology for leaving me when I was pregnant.
I'm sorry.
Do you still love me?
Yes.
Prove it. I deserve to be your wife. Make me your wife. I mean, I deserve to be the queen. And who is this thing? And why would she barge in without knocking?
Gina, please, we are having very important discussion. Please pack your things to the guest room.
Uzo? Uzo?
Please.
Hey, you leave! Get out! Get out! As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, make me your queen. I know you very well. I know that right now you are damn broke. I know what has been going through your mind since you saw me. But not to worry. I have enough money to take care of you and our son.
All right. Thank you so much. We'll get married.
Good.
I love Uzos very much. I love him so much. I don't want to lose him. Please help me.
Go and remove that wedding gown. Keep it for a real woman. Keep it for the queen. Keep it for the next queen of this kingdom. Keep it for the mother of the heir to the throne.
Miko. Mommy! My queen! Ah! My queen! Miko. My queen!
Gina cannot do this to me. I gave her the word. I raised her up properly. Did everything for her. She sold off the filling station 3 months ago.
Honestly, if I hadn't heard it from the essay to the governor on inland revenue matters, I wouldn't have believed it at all.
She has turned me to a wretch.
Well, it's all right, my brother.
My heart bleeds, Joe.
It's okay. Take it easy, eh? My brother, take it easy. You know, our children these days are unpredictable. So unpredictable. Take it easy.
Gina, what is wrong with you? Why do you look this terrible?
Terrible.
Why are you on the floor? It's me, Gina. What did you drink? I mean, are you drunk?
I never had a liquor. But yes, I am drunk. No. I'm drunk in pain, babe. I'm so drunk in pain.
Gina, what is the problem? What did they do to you?
Nothing. There's no problem. Nobody did anything to me. Babe, I am fine. I just want to be like this. I just want to be here, just like this. Maybe forever, you know. I am so fine. I've never been better. So fine.
It's okay. You're scaring me.
No. Am I? Really?
Mom. Did you see Gina? Mom, where is Gina?
How am I supposed to know? Well, maybe she is shedding crocodile tears in the guest room.
She's not there. Let it not be that she has done something funny, because people are really going to blame us if anything should happen to her.
Story. What's my own? Whatever she likes, let her do to herself. It's none of my business.
Mom, it's shocking how you suddenly forgot what this girl did for us just a few weeks ago.
What did she do? Did she give us everlasting life? No, tell me. Please.
Mom, this is not fair. You are doing this because of some strange woman who claimed to have your grandchild without asking proper questions.
Annabelle, you are beginning to get on my nerves. By the way, when are you going back to school?
Honey, please, let's go and eat. This is not good for your health. I don't want you to develop high blood pressure. Please.
Tell me, where did I do wrong? Did I commit any crime in entrusting all my business to my only daughter? Just tell me.
You did not commit any crime. Like I told you, I will go tomorrow and talk to her. I promise I must find a way to bring her here so we can collect the money.
Even if it means getting police involved, do it. I want my money. I mean the money, the proceeds he made for the sale of my filling station. Yes, I'm finished.
Honey, nothing will happen to you. It's okay. Please, let's go and eat. Please. Please. Honey, please. Everything will be fine. I promise you. Let's go and eat.
You're still crying. Can we sleep?
I'm fine. Yeah, I'll join you someday.
I don't understand you. If you continue to be like this, tomorrow I will send you back to your mother. Yes, I will. Come to bed.
I'll join you.
What's this smell?
Yes? Why are you staring at me like that?
You smoke?
Well, yeah. Any problem? Do you have any problem with it?
No problem. Just that someday you will become the queen of this great kingdom. And a lot of people will be looking up to you.
Well, let me worry on who looks up to me and who looks down on me. Go to bed. It's late.
Good morning, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine. Are you looking for the queen?
I want to see my daughter Gina.
Oh, you can sit inside.
Okay, thank you. Good morning.
Who are you and what are you doing on my favorite set?
Oh, please, I'm sorry.
You think this is a public place where you sit anyhow and anywhere you like?
Don't be offended, please.
Get out.
Eh?
Out.
Okay.
Get out.
Sorry, please.
Jane.
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry up with that thing and make me breakfast, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Who are you and what are you looking for?
Please, I want to see my daughter Gina.
She did not sleep here last night.
She did not sleep here last night? How?
Is that question supposed to be for me?
I'm sorry.
Jane,
Yes, my queen.
tell the driver to wash my car.
Okay. Tell your daughter to give herself some peace. This place is like hell now.
Hey, thank you very much. Please, do you know where I can find her?
No, after their wedding failed yesterday, she started behaving like a mad woman. But later she left.
Wedding? What wedding?
I have to go, ma.
Oh, where do I find her now? Eh? Gina. Hello, Tonya. How are you? Afternoon. Please, is Gina in your place? Oh, thank God. I'm coming right away.
Gina. Gina.
Put yourself together.
Be strong. Oh, I'm fine. Mommy, I think you should take her to the hospital.
I will. Thank you so much. Oh?
It's okay, Mommy. You're
God
welcome.
bless you.
You're welcome.
Ngwa, let's go.
Gina.
Oh? Try. Let's go.
You're welcome then.
I thought he's mine. I thought he's mine. Love forever. After all this fight, after all my sacrifice, after all my stubbornness to my papa,
The food is for the queen.
Are you stupid? Who is the queen? Pour some juice for me.
Excuse me? What did you just say?
Well, I wasn't referring to you.
Jane.
Yes, my queen.
Is that my food?
Yes, my queen.
Listen. Nobody tampers with my food. If you are hungry, you tell the maids to prepare you whatever you want to eat.
You know, I hate it when people rant.
But did you just say?
You heard me.
My son must hear this.
For your information, we are getting married this Wednesday. And you're not going to be an obstacle to it.
Don't try it. Stop.
Don't force me to bathe you with this juice.
Excuse me!
You heard me.
Try it. I dare you.